Hi everyone, it's Damien for another video. Last time I was talking about, actually the hammy exercise and what I did so far about it, which is that basically. And now I'm going to try another exercise, which I already did pretty much, but as I said, I kind of forgot what I did, so I'm just gonna start over. And so as you can see, there is already a solution. Is it? No, it's not that actually. It's this one, the next one. Did I click on it? As you can see, there is already a solution. Convert a number to a string, the content of which depend on the number factors. If the number has 3 as a factor, but playing is a number has 5 as a factor, output playing is a number has 7 as a factor, output playing. If the number does not have 3, 5, or 7 as a factor, just pass the number digit straight through. For example, 28 factors are 1, 2, 4, 7, 14, 28. In Raindrop speak, this would be long. Okay, so this 30 factors are 3 and 5. In Raindrops tricks, it would be pling plong. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so I pretty much understood the exercise. As I said, I've done it before, so it's not completely new, but I'm going to start over. Yep, gonna do that. Alright, and let's set the raindrop. So I'm gonna open it. Open. Raindrop. Drop top. Raindrop. Drop top. You remember that song from the Migos? How can you not remember anyway? Oh, it's actually okay, so I'm gonna remove everything. Yeah, because when it downloads with what I did previously on it. So I'm gonna remove that. The tests are skipped. Okay, so let's try. Oh, I'm gonna just put that here. I have too much things open here. That's probably why. Banana papers, food jam, chatter. Well, let's give it a try so far. So let's see. Ruby raindrop test. Alright. So let's see. Initialize constant raindrop. Okay. So oh, come on. Oh my god. Class. How's it call it? Raindrops. Yep. Right. So let's see. Handify method convert. So I'm just gonna do like I'm naive and play like, I don't know, this is a class method, and still gonna do the same, I think. So I'm just gonna add that. One number of argument given one expected 0. Alright. Convert. I think, yeah, this is a number. How's it called it in the exercise? Convert a number to a string. Okay, so this is a number. So I guess from now on, well, I mean, no, I don't even have to. Like, let's try that. It should be green, not even. Oh, okay. So expected 1 and actually me. Okay, so let's return 1. Oh, it's not even like that. Alright. So everything is working. We are happy. And we're gonna remove or unlock some tests. So expected playing. So I guess if we implement the thing, we should be able to do. So if what was the rules? So this was basically the rules of the exercise. Okay, let's see if a number okay. So I think I can. Oh, what's that? Can I? Okay. Number 3 equal 0. Well, I guess I can. Don't really like it that way, but yeah, let's do that. Let's try it that way anyway, just to see. If number blah, blah, blah. Okay, puts. It's not even put. It's like return. I think I can do it the other way. If blah blah blah, or should I put plain? Or actually, I don't really need. So I guess I could do the same stuff here. It's not really what is happening here. If blah blah blah. Oh, what is happening here? Well, I'm gonna call it plain. And this was for 5, and the other one was for 7, and was actually long. So I think I can do that. Let's see what's going on here. So this is basically simple rules, which might be false. I mean, expecting. Okay, so the first one is not actually passing. So let's see if factor, well, if not, is a number doesn't have. Okay. Otherwise, we can just return. Well, we can actually. If that return that is that. Okay, so I think we can just do something like that. Number, I guess. Should be able to do that. Because anyway, it's gonna return, right? So I should be fine. Yeah, I'm not fine. So let's, oh, I didn't actually save it. But let's see. Come on. Is it saved? Yes. Come on. Okay, so it should be expected plain actual 3. What's the test? So test the sound for 3. The sound, okay. The sound for 3 is plain. So if is plain, alright. So it's in plain. Oh, it's actually that, I think. Oh, not even. What did I do? The sound for 3 is plain, right? And what's the matter? If blah 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 equals 0, convert plain. And I got directly 3. Okay, so that's mean. So let's maybe do it the way around. I don't really know. Plain. Can I do that? I think it was the way it was, but I'm not sure. Oh. Well, that's not really. I mean, I don't really like that, but let's do this first to see. Maybe. Oh, okay. So what is saying? Blah blah. Uleji. Does your impact return? Okay. So you probably. Or should I actually put a return here? Maybe it's just that. I'm not sure. So that. Okay. And alright. Let's see. So it looks like it's working. Well, so okay. So let's like commit that way. No, I'm not gonna commit. The exercise is not actually finished, so I can't commit. Still working. Working. Oh, did I actually? Okay. Working. That. Come on. Thing is. Oh, it's actually not working here. So, the sound for 15 is pling plang, as it has factors 3 and 5. Alright. So, so here we have to be able to like happen songs together. So I think I'm gonna do like sound, which basically is the number, let's say, equal number, and we're just gonna happen return sound. Can I do that actually? Sound equal that. What was the word again? Pling plang, okay. If blah. Let's, well, that way. Well, we should be able to do 3 things. Like if that, or should be able to do both. So what should I do here? Return plain. When let's do that. Oh my god. Let's actually do that and do a sound. Sound plus. It's not really return. It's like I mean, it's more like a if else something. Now what did this one? It's not really sound equal that. Else if else is if I don't know else if okay. So this let's let's do that. And okay, else if that, maybe I completely broke the code here, but I'm not. Let's see what's going to happen with that. And yeah, it's actually plong. Here and else. All right. Else. Why did I actually? Okay. What's going on with that? All right. So is it? All right. Else if. So if blah blah blah. Else if blah blah. And this is actually, I'm not even on the right thing here. And all right, I should be fine. It's actually like sound. And return sound. All right. I think I might be fine. I mean, I don't even have to initialize. I mean, oh, but this is actually wrong, I think. What did I do? Okay, so let's run it that way. I think it's wrong anyway. What's happening? Okay, so line 2, I'm expecting an output line 2. What do you mean? Blah blah blah. What do you mean, man? Syntax error unexpected. Oh, 21, sorry. Where is it, 21? So this is for the if else. Wait, why do I have that actually? If else and. Okay. Return sound, close the method, and close the class. Alright. Alright, so this is the same code, doesn't really work, and it's probably because it's actually sound equal sound plus what's going on, and sound plus, why doesn't it, can I actually do that? No, I doubt so. Oh, maybe, well, it's not gonna, I'm not sure I can do that. I'm not really sure at all. Yeah. So, oh. Yeah, so I cannot do that. I can only do that, I think. Sense of thing for interpolation. So plus 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 plus. All right. Okay, actual plane. That means if blah, else else is going here. I'm putting plane in it. Then it's going here. Previous plus that. And then else that, and I'm returning. All right. So what's the matter here? Let's actually put some stuff. Oh my god, I can't believe I can do that. That's how you really take like a punch in your ego. Sounds like a so simple exercise. Oh my god. So let's see. Let's remove all that because I'm actually confused. So if number blah 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 sun is actually empty and sun receive empty one plus plane. Alright. Else um can I actually do that on like I think so but yeah. Maybe Mm-hmm. Include blah, 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 each line. Okay. I was. I don't think we actually need that. I was looking for like a happen method, but I think the plus is what I can actually. Well, let's see. Maybe this is my mistake here. Oh, that's why. Because this is actually doing a new string, while this one I think is actually happening. Yeah, so I think that was my problem here. So do I need to? Yeah, I basically just need to do that. Should be fine by now, I think. I hope. It's not even working. My god. Well, even though it's not that the problem, because even though it return a new string, just gonna create another object, but shouldn't be fine. I mean, all right. Um, what can I do here? What am I doing wrong? Well. What time is it now? Mm-hmm. I don't know if that. Mm-hmm. Then if number. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So weird because sometimes when you're coding, you're so convinced that your code is working and everything, it looks fine and it should be working, but it doesn't work. Oh my god. Alright, let's take a break. I'm gonna stop the video, I'm gonna take a break and then get back to it. Talk to you soon, guys. Too much windows open.